Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. As always, we're going to begin with the walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to put you through major talking points and features of both interior and exterior, and also I'll make my way around and I'll also go ahead, take a seat inside the car and just run you through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. The vehicle itself is the Alpine White 420D M Sport Gran Coupe. Also benefits from having our full YNC Mperformance body styling kit equipped. Alongside that, we've added the 20-inch 405M style alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. The vehicle is a 2017 17 plate, also benefits from the lovely facelift. So there at the front you'll be able to see the facelifted front lights, which now consist of LED projectors and LED angel eyes, and I'll point out the rest of the facelifted items very soon. Down the side of the car you'll be able to see the gloss black air breathers, satin side vinyls, matching sidebars and the YNC Mperformance decals. Over the top of the car there you'll be able to see a very nice optional extra in the form of the glass sunroof, currently in its tilt option. Moving on for our first glance at the interior now. This vehicle has a very special interior. Again, on the outset it just looks like the black Dakota leather. However, we have got the optional extra M highlight seats. So there you can see we get the lovely M logo stripes stitched in there, along with the blue stitching throughout. And not only that, they are of course also equipped with the optional electric lumbar and the heated seats for both passengers and drivers in this vehicle, and everything is lovely in terms of the condition for interior and exterior on this car. Again, I'm going to try and highlight that all the way around, and we also get this very nice aluminum hexagon trim. Making our way around towards the rear seats now, where for the Gran Coupe, if you've not yet seen one, you do get an Isofix 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and bar of course the fact we've got the sunroof in this vehicle, we still have our darkened M Sport headlining. However, everything is lit up a lot nicer thanks to having that glass sunroof. We do get a different ambience to the full interior. Making our way around to the rear of the car now, where we have fitted the satin rear diffuser and a high gloss black rear boot spoiler to this car. Again, another feature for the facelift was these much more aggressive LED rear lights, and we'll open up the automatic opening and closing tailgate for yourselves now. And there you'll be able to see just how much of a large boot space that really is, alongside having split folding seats to really enhance that space even further. And there are the genuine floor mats, which again are very nicely presented and will of course also accompany the vehicle. Heading round to the driver's side now, again I'll just take a couple of seconds to show you how nicely presented this car is and how well the Alpine White does work, of course with our full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, before I take you on board the car to of course run through all of the major talking points and features in a bit more detail of the interior. So now we're sat very comfortably inside. First thing we notice is the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'm going to immediately open up the glass sunroof to its full slid back position to of course let the most amount of light into the cabin, which again is a really nice feeling and gives you a totally different interior experience. Running you through a couple of the features and functions of the navigation and media screen. Of course, being the professional version, we do get a few more multimedia inputs and of course other items. Currently there is the DAB open, however we've got a wide array of multimedia inputs covering you everything from music collection right the way through to external devices, including Bluetooth audio, USB inputs and of course AUX inputs. And of course, being that we have got Bluetooth audio, you of course also have Bluetooth telephone. The navigation system for the facelifted versions of the 4 Series and of course all of the other ranges of BMW include the real-time traffic updates, keeping you on the fastest route possible, of course when the system is switched on. Heading back to the main menu, you'll also see equipped to the car is the Connected Drive Plus option, which gives you access to online search, news and weather apps. Again, all powered via Google, utilising the vehicle's own onboard 4G network, giving you a nice wide array of options to keep you informed on the go. Again, we'll take a look at the vehicle service information and service requirements. The vehicle does come with full BMW service history, is not due a service for 18,000 miles, and you can view that service history there on screen. It has covered the very low mileage of 38,777. Also has the absolutely incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, speed limiter, cruise, voice and volume controls, all situated on this lovely presented multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and of course found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be very happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you have found it useful, and hopefully it'll help you make an informed purchasing decision upon your next car. Most of all though guys, we really do hope to see yourself soon. Thank you. Do of course take care. See you soon. Goodbye.